Hello, look, the ball is under the table. The car is on the table. The computer is on the table. The pencils are on the table. The teddy is on the shelf. The books are on the shelf. The doll is on the chair. This car is under the chair. The book is next to the pencil. The pencil is next to the book. The train is next to the toys box. This ball is in the toy box. This train is in the toy box, and the doll is in the toy box. The bike is next to the toy box. The picture of the cat is on the wall. That's all.